Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129-51198 or 96129-51298.
Kum ka jing ithu ya ka jing IT lut ka jing lan lade bat yaw senyang uben hei bag la no shaw sub uthiar jong ka puli puthi pan sandur ya kala wei juki khna skul ka Sorkar Jylla kla punkup buram ya ki san phongut ki Nonghikai ki ba hikai ha ki skul jong ki district ba phera jong ka Jylla ha ka jing rakhi ya ka singi buram jong ki Nonghikai skul ka bala long ha ka santrik unai lur arja abu saw ha usus tham auditorium Shillong Yaki Khusnam la sam do menteri rong ba ka Jylla konrat kong ka sangma ubalong kumukong san ringkat menteri katnat puli puthi urakam e sangma u chief secretary jog Jylla uba DP walang u commissioner and secretary katnat puli puthi u Vijay Kumar Mantri u director ka state education and literacy u Swapnil Tembe u advisor katnat puli uba HM Shangplyang bat kiwe Ki khatsangut ki Nonghikai ki balayo pediang ya ka state awards ki long ka Dr. Karin E.G. Marbanyang na Maukhar Christian Higher Secondary School Shillong ba Walam Kupar Lengra na Mauset Khnam Presbyterian Upper Primary School u headmaster ka Maule Government Upper Primary School ba Nearest New Year Lingdo u headmaster ka Nongtanyao Deficit Upper Primary School u ba Phimlan Star Thongni u Manuranjan Barua na St. Thomas Higher Secondary School Uba Ohiwat Lalu na ka Government Girls Higher Secondary School u headmaster ka KS Memorial Secondary School Wapung ba Heipor Unibang Upadam Chetri na Nehru Memorial Secondary School Umsning ka Eldrina CH Momen na Rongrong-Giri Government Higher Secondary School Upadip Sansangma na Wage Asi Government Lower Primary School u Subrata Sen na Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Tura Umiman M Sangma na Balsri Jitim Lower Primary School Tura Uplant Singh CH Momen na Adogre Government Lower Primary School, ka Claritha M Sangma na Captain Williamson Memorial Government Secondary School. Katba kilai penrungut ki Nonghikai ki bala yo pediang ya ka District Award kilong, uba Renal Basiawa na Gorkha Secondary School, 3rd Mile Upper Shillong, ka Kong Ribhalin Kong Ramai na Ringut SSA Upper Primary School, uba Deverlin Rani na Nongwa Government Lower Primary School, Kakong Beauty Liwan Nongsit na Anderson Higher Secondary School Upper New Nongston, uba Jining Star Marthong na Maulangkhar Government Lower Primary School, Kakong Bariti Bakenten na Maharam Government Higher Secondary School, uba Anggal Thongni na Sharak Red Deficit Upper Primary Nongkanba, u Sengman A Sangma na Upper Umsi Government Lower Primary School, ka Principal jong ka St. Thomas Higher Secondary School Mairang, ka Sister Cecilia Kujur, ka Headmistress jong ka Rosario Upper Primary School Kenrut, ka Sister Sirpailen Kurkarang, ka Kong Sinti Shah El Nonglan na Nongthamai Government Lower Primary School, ka Kong Diamond Paswet na Government Boys High Secondary School Jowai, uba Emperor Gasa na Trangblang Government Upper Primary School, u Headmaster jong ka SR Manar Government Lower Primary School, u Headmaster jong ka SR Manar Government Lower Primary School Sorkar, ba Pratap Singh Khongla, ka Headmistress jong ka Sutanga Presbyterian High Secondary School, ka Kong Laini Meda Watlang, ka Headmistress jong ka Jalafet Upper Primary School Jalafet, ka Kong Pediang Hun Perngap, ka Kong Thiang Susyang na Batau Neng Government Lower Primary School, u Sukanta Batajarji na St. Michael Higher Secondary School Umsning, ka Kong Restrolian Nongrum na Nehru Memorial Secondary School Umsning, ka Kong Mary Magdalene Lamo na St. Jude Lower Primary School Umper Bernihan, u Headmaster ka Rongrong-Giri Model Deficit Secondary School, u Aswini Kumar Sarma, u Kennedy G. Momen na Rongshram Deficit Upper Primary School Rongjeng, u Pidasan M. Marang na Dawa Nengka Togri Government Lower Primary School, u Manuranjan Biswas na Resu Union Secondary School, u Ringrang M. Sangma na Mendima Deficit Upper Primary School, u Glizer K. Marang na Song Mengap Government Lower Primary School, u Headmaster ka Sacred Heart Deficit Secondary School Dalu, u Father Biju Paul, u Headmaster jong ka Shyamnagar Government Upper Primary School, u Alit Sanji Momen na Ampagre Government Lower Primary School, u Sanjeev A. Sangma na Bodangre Deficit Secondary School, u Headmaster jong ka Ampati Deficit Upper Primary School, u Grebingham B. Sangma, u Headmaster ka Kuku Mua Government Lower Primary School, u Mohammed Jahan Mia, ka Principal jong ka Rangkum Memorial Girl Deficit Secondary School, ka Quillen M. Sangma, U headmaster jongka Chokpot Government Upper Primary School, U Purisan and Sangma, but U headmaster ka Namchap Government Lower Primary School, U Sothin G Momin. Hakani ka ju asngi ka Sorkar klapin ku buramru, yaki khat Ngut ki Scout Master but ki Guide Captain.
I kindly invite the chief guest of honor, and along with other dignitaries to come up on stage and present the awards to the following teachers.
We will begin with the award ceremony with the state awardees. As we read out the citations, we kindly request each of you to be ready by the side of the stage. The citation is presented to Dr. Karin E.G. Marbanyang, an assistant teacher at Maukar Christian Higher Secondary School, for her dedication of about 16 years to education, teaching mathematics, science, and known for her passion and commitment, she has made significant contributions to education initiatives, including training of government school teachers during the COVID-19 pandemic and serving as a member of both the state and district resource groups. Her innovative teaching strategies and ongoing professional development underscore her substantial impact on both her students and the educational community, earning her the District Award for Teachers in 2023. In recognition of her dedication and contribution to the welfare and development of the student community, Dr. Karin E.G. Marbanyang is hereby conferred the Award for Teachers and on the occasion of Teachers Day 2024. The Education Department wishes her all the success in her future endeavors.
The citation is presented to Sri Walamkupar Lingra, Assistant Teacher of Maus Tiat Khanam Presbyterian Upper Primary School. For his dedication as an educator and community leader, his significant contributions extend beyond education to agriculture and animal husbandry, earning multiple accolades and recognition for the innovative technology in livestock. He has been a recipient of the District Award for Teachers in 2023 for his sustained excellence and commitment in the field of education. In recognition of his dedication and contribution to the welfare and development of the student community, Sri Walamkupar Lingra is hereby conferred to the State Award for Teachers on the occasion of Teachers Day 2024. The Education Department wishes him success in all his future endeavors.
The citation is presented to Sri Nearest New Year Lingdo, Headmaster of Maule Government Upper Primary School, Nongston, for a significant contribution to education and community service. His dedication to both his professional and community is recognized, wherein he was conferred with the District Award for Teachers in 2018. In recognition of his contribution to the welfare and development of the student community, Sri Nearest New Year Lingdo is hereby conferred the State Award for Teachers on the occasion of Teachers Day 2024. The Education Department wishes him success in all his future endeavors.
This citation is presented to Sri Phemlan Star Thongni, Headmaster of Nong Nyao Deficit Upper Primary School, for a significant contribution in improving school infrastructure through personal funding and leadership. His extensive participation in community development further underscores his commitment in societal welfare. He has been a recipient for the District Award for Teachers in 2023. In recognition of his contribution to the welfare of the student community, Sri Phemlan Star Thongni is hereby conferred the State Award for Teachers on the occasion of Teachers Day 2024. The Education Department wishes him success in his future endeavors.
The citation is presented to Manorajan Barua, a dedicated educator who has significantly impacted St. Thomas High Secondary School since his joining in 2006. Beyond academics, Barua has contributed to an association NCC leading candidates to national recognition. He has also authored educational books for students in Assam and Meghalaya. His exceptional dedication is a valuable asset for the school and student community. He is a recipient of the District Award for Teachers in 2023. In recognition of his contribution to the welfare and development of the student community, Shri Manurajan Barua is hereby conferred the Award for Teachers on the occasion of Teachers Day 2024. The Education Department wishes him success in all his future endeavors.
The citation is presented to Shri Ohiwat Lalu, Assistant Teacher, Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Jowai. For his designated career in education, he has been deeply involved in scouting, holding positions such as District Secretary and Organizer for the Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides, significantly contributing to the national and state level awards for Scouts and Guides. Shri Lalu has been a recipient of the Long Service Medal in 2021 and the District Award for Teachers in 2023, reflecting his dedication and impact in the field of education. In recognition of his dedication and contribution to the welfare and development of the student community, Shri Ohiwat Lalu is hereby conferred to the State Award for Teachers on the occasion of Teachers Day 2024. The Education Department wishes him success in all his future endeavors.
This citation is presented to Shri Hepar Unibang, a prominent educator and community leader from One Pungskur village, East Jaintia Hills, for his significant contribution to both education and social welfare. As the founder and headmaster of KB Memorial Secondary School, he has achieved notable success and recognition for his service to students with special needs. He has been a recipient of awards like the Best Teacher Mat Chaprang Award, the Governor Award for his contribution to education and community service, and the District Award for Teachers Day in 2021. In recognition of his dedication and contribution to the welfare of the student community, Shri Hepar Unibang is hereby conferred the State Award for Teachers on the occasion of Teachers Day 2024. The Education Department wishes him success in all his future endeavors.
The citation is presented to Shri Padmam Chetri, Assistant Teacher of Nehru Memorial Higher Secondary School. For his service rendered for about 35 years in the school, Shri Padmam Chetri has been actively involved in co-curricular activities, notably as an NCC officer, and has participated in numerous training programs. He has been a recipient of the District Award for Teachers in 2023. His commitment to education and community service has earned him respect and admiration. In recognition of his dedication and contribution to the welfare and development of the student community, Shri Padmam Chetri is hereby conferred the State Award for Teachers on the occasion of Teachers Day 2024. The Education Department wishes him success in all his future endeavors.
This citation is presented to Srimati Aldrina C.H. Momin, Assistant Teacher of Rangre Government Higher Secondary School, for her contribution in the field of education. She is a source of inspiration to the students and colleagues alike. She has a recipient of the District Award for Teachers in 2021. In recognition of the service rendered by her to the student community, Srimati Aldrina C.H. Momin is hereby conferred the State Award for the teachers on the occasion of Teachers Day 2024. The Education Department wishes her success in all her future endeavors.
The citation is presented to Shri Probison Sangma, Head Teacher of Wageasi Government Lower Primary School, for his contribution in the field of education. He is known for his good reputation and moral character, and he has been a recipient for the District Award for Teachers in 2021. In recognition of the service rendered by him, Shri Probison Sangma is hereby conferred to the State Award for Teachers on the occasion of Teachers Day 2024. The Education Department wishes him success in all his future endeavors.
The citation is presented to Shri Subarata Sen, Assistant Teacher of Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Tura, for his dedication and commitment in fostering students' learning in science and technology. He is a highly regarded educator and has been a recipient of the District Award for Teachers in 2023. In recognition of his contribution in the field of education, Shri Subarata Sen is hereby conferred the State Award for Teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2024. The Education Department wishes him success in all his future endeavors.
The citation is presented to Sri Miman M. Sangma, Assistant Teacher of Bahar Sri Gitam Lower Primary School, who has begun his teaching career in 1995 and has significantly contributed to educational development. His commitment to education and community service earned him the District Award in 2022. In recognition of his contribution in the field of education, Sri Miman M. Sangma is hereby conferred the State Award for Teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2024. The Education Department wishes him success in all of his future endeavors.
This citation is presented to Sri Plan Singh C.H. Momin, Head Teacher of Adigre Government Lower Primary School, who has rendered about 34 years of service in the field of education. He has been a recipient of the District Award for Teachers in 2023. In recognition of his service, Sri Plan Singh C.H. Momin is hereby conferred the State Award for Teachers' Day on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2024. The Education Department wishes him success in all his future endeavors.
The citation is presented to Greta M. Sangma, Vice Principal of Captain Williamson Memorial Government Higher Secondary School, for her contribution in the field of education. She has also been instrumental in encouraging students to take on leadership roles during her tenure as a guide captain. She has been a recipient of the District Award for Teachers in 2021. In recognition of the service rendered by her to the student community, Greta M. Sangma is hereby conferred the State Award for Teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2024. The Education Department wishes her success in all her future endeavors.
We will now come to the special awardee. Kindly make your way on the stage as the citations are being read.
So sorry for the misconfusion. We will actually now move forward with the district awardees. Kindly be ready as we read out the citations.
The citation is presented to Sri Ranul Basayamad, Assistant Teacher of Gorkha Secondary School, 3rd Mile, Upper Shillong, as a token of appreciation for the hard work and efforts he has put in order to elevate the school to its present status. His dynamism and mentorship is noteworthy, as it is to his devotion to his chosen career. The students Scoutmaster with Himalayan wood bandage, he has proved as an excellent teacher who has played an important role in uplifting the school. It is a matter of great pride that Sri Rayon Basayamad is now conferred the District Award for Teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2024. The Education Department wishes him success in all his future endeavors.
The citation is presented to Ribhalin Khongramai, Head Teacher of Ngut SSA Upper Primary School, in recognition and appreciation of her sincere and dedicated service in the field of education. Ribhalin Khongramai is an honorable, skilled, and enthusiastic teacher who maintains cordial relations with both her students and her colleagues. Being the head teacher of the school, she has taken initiative steps for the all-round development of the school. Her contribution to the society is also commendable. It is a matter of great pride that Ribhalin Khongramai is now conferred the District Award for Teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2024. The Education Department wishes her success in all her future endeavors.
The citation is presented to Shri Devlin Rani, head teacher of Nongwa Government Lower Primary School, in grateful recognition and appreciation of his selfless service rendered in the field of education. His intellect, passion, communicative skills, and his approach to teaching is praiseworthy. His dedication is not only confined to the welfare of the school but also to the society at large. As a Block Resource Group member, Shri Devlin Rani has contributed immensely in training the various school coordinators and teachers about the innovative teaching strategies necessary for school improvement and progress. His contribution to measles and rubella vaccination has also won him an award for the District Medical and Health Officer during the Republic Day in 2019. It is a matter of great pride that Shri Devlin Rani is now conferred the District Award for Teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2024. The Education Department wishes him all success in the future. We will now come to the special awardee. Kindly make your way to the stage as the citations are being read.
The citation is presented to Catherine Nongrum, Assistant Teacher in School and Center for the Hearing Handicapped Children, Lady Veronica Lane, Lamcross School, as a token of gratitude and appreciation for her selfless service and commitment to students with special needs and pre-primary level. She is a dedicated educator with a positive attitude and has sustained excellence in developing approaches to students' learning and engagement is highly commendable. Her patient, sincerity, supportive, and sympathetic nature towards every one of her special students and colleagues has gained her the love and admiration by all. It is a matter of pride and immense pleasure that Catherine Nongrum is now referred the Special Award for Teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2024. The Education Department wishes her success in all her future endeavors. The citation is presented to Sri Stephen John Dakar, Scoutmaster, St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, Shillong, in grateful recognition and appreciation of his dedicated service and remarkable contribution to the Bharat Scouts and Guides Association in East Khasi Hills District. Sri Stephen John Dakar started his scouting career in the year 2014 and is currently the Assistant District Organizing Commissioner of the District Association. He has proved himself to be very dynamic, sincere, dedicated, and hardworking. In the year 2022, he successfully achieved and completed the prestigious Himalayan Wood Bridge. It is a matter of great pride that Sri Stephen John Dakar is now confirmed the Best Scoutmaster on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2024. The Education Department wishes him success in all of his future endeavors. The citation is presented to Bakanteo Linglot Nongbri, Assistant Teacher and Captain of Christchurch Higher Secondary School, Shillong, as a token of appreciation for her selfless service in the field of guiding. She has joined the Association of Bharat Scouts and Guides in the year 2012 and is presently the District Organizing Commissioner of the District Association. Her dedication towards the promotion of the guiding movement is truly remarkable. In the year 2018, she successfully achieved and completed the prestigious Himalayan Wood Badge at Nirhima, Nagaland. It is a matter of great pride that Bakanteuling Nongbri is now placed on record and conferred as the best guide captain on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2024. The Education Department wishes her success in all her future endeavors.
Thank you to all the dignitaries for presenting the awards. Kindly take your seats.
It is with immense gratitude on behalf of the teacher awardee, I stand before you today to accept this prestigious award to be recognized for doing what we are passionate about is truly honor, and we are deeply humbled by the acknowledgement. First and foremost, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the respected Sir Sri Swapnil Thembe, the Director of School Education and Literacy, for selecting us for this award. Your recognition of our effort in education means the world to us, and we are sincerely grateful for your support and belief in our work. Teaching is more than just a profession to me. It is calling and a lifelong commitment to nurturing and guiding our students. This award is not just a reflection of my work, but testament to the collective dedication to all the educators who strive every day to make difference in the lives of their students. As I accept this award, I am reminded that the work we do as an educator is vital for the future of our society. With the support of the Director of School Education and Literacy, we are empowered to continue this important work, shaping the minds and futures of the next generation. Thank you once again for this incredible honor. Let us continue to work together to inspire, educate, and lead our students towards a brighter future. Let us remember Nelson Mandela's quote, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can change the world." With these few words, I conclude my speech. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you, one and all. Jai Hind.
First and foremost, I would like to thank the Almighty for His goodness and His countless blessings. On behalf of all the district awardees of East Khasi Hills, I am extremely delighted and deeply honored to stand before you to express our gratitude to the government of Meghalaya under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, also our energetic Education Minister, Shri Rakam A. Sangma, for recognizing, appreciating, and felicitating our work and dedication in nurturing and shaping young minds. We are truly humbled by this honor and will continue to strive for excellence in everything we do. We hope this Achievement Award will inspire other teachers as well to impart quality education across the state. Your presence, especially the Honorable Chief Guest and Guest of Honor, elevates this occasion and serves as a testament to the importance of education and the individuals who make it their life's work. Last but not the least, I take this opportunity on behalf of the Bharat Scouts and Guides to express our deepest gratitude to the government of Meghalaya for recognizing the association and felicitating us in this momentous occasion, which really inspires the association as a whole. Once again, thank you for this incredible honor. Happy Teachers' Day to everyone. Thank you, Kublai Mithela.